In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your download history in Google Chrome. This quick and easy process will allow you to access and manage your downloaded files conveniently. Let's dive right in. As you may know, Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers worldwide, thanks to its speed, simplicity, and efficiency. Among its various features, Chrome provides a neat way to keep track of all the files you've downloaded. Whether you're checking for a file's location, revisiting a previously downloaded item, or simply keeping your digital space organized, accessing your download history can be incredibly useful. First, let's open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have your Chrome browser up and running, your next step is to locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. This area is often referred to as the More or Customize and Control Google Chrome menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. In this drop-down menu, you'll find several tools and features at your disposal, but for now, let's focus on finding your download history. Look for the option labeled Downloads and go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to a new tab or page dedicated entirely to your download history. On your Downloads page, you'll see a chronological list of all the files you've downloaded via Chrome. From here, you can access information like file names, the date of download, and the download location. This layout makes it incredibly user-friendly to locate any specific file when you need it quickly. Moreover, the Downloads page isn't just for viewing your download history. It also provides interactive features like re-downloading a file, opening the file's original location on your device, or removing it from the list if you're certain you won't need to revisit it anytime soon. This feature is particularly helpful in maintaining a tidy digital workspace. Additionally, if you're the type who downloads extensively or frequently, you might notice the list getting pretty long. If you want to clear this list to declutter, you can do so. Please note that clearing your list only removes the entries from the Downloads page, not the files from your computer. You can do this by selecting Clear All to remove all the entries or individually select files to clear from your list. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now mastered the technique of viewing and managing your download history in Google Chrome. This small yet potent feature can greatly enhance your browsing efficiency, making it easier to navigate through your digital assets. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.